So I just wanted to make a quick little update for the zinc yellow Mustang GT. This is one of the final touches to the car. You know what? It's kind of dirty. Let's clean it up. But this is the panel that goes by your knees underneath the steering wheel. And this is just something I've had. I got it out of my Sonic Blue 02 GT parts car. And I wanted to put this in the zinc yellow car. And it's one of those things you really don't notice it a whole lot, but I made some videos of the car driving around, and I had the camera down in the cup holder, and you could see the bare metal plate there, and it looked pretty ugly. And I thought, okay, it's probably about time to go ahead and put this in the car. One of the final touches. The car has had so much done to it, and it's looking really good now, and it's driving and everything. So if you watch the series, that's pretty fun. And, if you haven't, go back and watch the series if you like watching it. It's kind of like a car show, like a TV series. It's fun to sit back and watch them. And I like watching YouTube more than anything on TV. So, but yeah, it goes in here like this. And yeah, I'm doing this one-handed. But the tabs go in there, push in, and then there's bolt holes on the bottom to hold it in place. And so just got that lined up and struggled with it one-handed, but I did it. I also noticed that the center console that came out of my Sonic Blue parts car as well had this Velcro strap here, and this is something I think it held up an audio control for the sound system on the car. I just wanted to take it off. I probably could have just left it there, but I took it off and I used some, cleaning products on it, like a goof off or something. But this console's already kind of ugly. Sometimes you can paint them if you want. They sell paint that matches on like late model restoration and stuff. And to me, when you're driving the car, you don't really notice a whole lot, and it doesn't look so bad. I think on camera it even shows up like a lot splotchier than it appears in person. But anyway, that's an update on the zinc yellow GT. Just wanted to finish that up and do a couple of things like that. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more Mustang content.